Hi everyone, so this is me, Hunyah, and today I'm unboxing Skills Ontario Culinary Set, which is a program where first 50 participants receive a culinary set for this culinary session that's hosted by Skills Ontario. If you're a chef or if you love to cook, it's for that. So as you can see, the box is pretty huge, so I'm just gonna start opening it. So where's the opening thing? Oh yeah. So I open it from here first. So that, and let's see what's in here. So I get a bunch of cinnamon sticks. That is good. I get a meat thermometer.
Wow.
That's something that Ali wanted. I get, oh, this is, I think this is the oil. Well, Versa likes this olive oil, so I think we have this. Where do I put it? Kind of oily. Okay. Should I just put it back in the box? Okay, my hands are a bit oily now. I get condensed milk, so that is good for cheesecake. I get an apron that says Skills Canada, Ontario, so that is good. I'll just put this aside here. Not the best way of putting it. I get this brush for baking. Oh, I get a lemon squeezer. That's really good to make some lemonade. Or for anything. A lime squeezer, meat thermometer. And what else do I get? Oh, I got a little cute honey.
Just put it up.
Okay. Yeah, then it's all gonna fall. And I have, yeah, I think, oh yeah, I get these measuring teaspoons. So I think that's all what I have.
Can you put brush here as well?
Yes, and I got the brush, and then the Skills Ontario apron. So I was one of the first 50 participants to participate in the Skills Culinary session.
Did you pay anything?
No, it was free.
Everything is free?
Yes, and this is coming from Waterloo.
Wow.
So.
And now, do you need to cook with them? They are going to send some recipes, or how does it work?
I think it's supposed to be a Zoom session, and then you cook something, and then you later on, you have to use the products in there, and then you have to, I think, display it or make a video. Very similar to the culinary training I've taken. So I'm assuming it's something like that, but it's from Skills Ontario. So this is.
Can you put condensed milk over here as well?
Yes, condensed milk is right here, and then there's the olive oil. I'm pretty sure this is the one that Risha likes. So I think we got a lot of things that we didn't even need to go for kitchen stuff to go and buy these utensils again. So I'm really glad I got a Skills Ontario apron, because I'm a good chef, so I know I qualify in there.
Thank you for sharing.
So thank you everyone for watching.